Are you ready? What's up, everyone? Today we're taking a look at this Jet air dryer blower. You guys can use this for dust. You can use it for your vehicle. You can use this for many different things. It also acts as a jumper as well. So it's kind of like a blower, jumper, battery bank, all in one. And we're gonna show you all the features. So for the jumper, you just simply plug this in like this. Negative connects to the negative terminal of your battery. The positive, which is red, connects to the positive terminal of your battery, and you can jump your battery like that. You can also then charge your devices with the USB port and a Type-C port as well. The blower's on the front here. You have your settings on the side. Press and hold to turn on the power. So, I don't know if you can see, it's hot, I'm sweating. It's extremely powerful. And you can even set it. So you have tons of different settings on this. There's even a flashlight. You got rapid flashing, slow flashing, and off. So it's got a flashlight as well, but let's show you the power of the blower. Now let's actually do it from far away, so further back. I bet you could probably blow dry your vehicle off with this easily. This thing's awesome.